Fernando. My topic is routers. Definition: the basic operation of a router, in Spanish router or routers, as implied by its name, is to send network packets or routers the proper way at all times. This stores the received packets and processes the source and destination information they process. Based on this information, forward it to another router or host. Final activity is called routing. Video.
Welcome to TP-Link's wireless router installation video. This video is suitable for all of TP-Link's dual-band routers as well as our 11N routers. To set up your hardware connection, disconnect and power off your existing router. If you don't have one, continue with the next step. Power off your broadband modem. To do this, disconnect the power cord at the back of the modem. Some broadband modems also have backup batteries to keep the modem on even when the power is off. If your modem has this, remove the backup battery as well. Attach the external antennas on the back of the router. The Ethernet cable coming from the modem is plugged into the V1 or Internet port of the router. Power on the modem by reattaching the power adapter and backup battery is available. Wait for 2 minutes for the modem to get online. Use another Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the yellow ports on the router. Before you power on the router, make sure the computer is not connected to any other wireless network. Power on the router and wait until the system LED flashes slowly. Go to any website of your choice to test the internet connection. If you can access the internet via the Ethernet cable, that means all your Wi-Fi enabled devices are able to connect to the wireless network. The default wireless name is TP-Link _ 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz with 6 letters and numbers behind it. The wireless password can be found on the label at the bottom of your router. If you're having any trouble accessing the internet or want to customize the wireless network, please follow the steps below. Open any internet browser like IE, Chrome, Safari. Type in tplink-login.net into the address bar.
Physical architecture. In a router can identify your components, ports of entry, switching fabrics, output ports, routing process. Pros: security, flexibility, support protocols, rapid price, efficiencies, flow control, and routing. cons, slow packet processing over the bridge. Next, to manage the sub-addressing in the link layer of your server. Next, variants which can clutter the workspace. Routing algorithms. The type router's distance vector generates a routing table that calculates the cost of each router and then sends this table to router nearby. The type router links stay continually through the network to identify the different elements that surround it.
To share your broadband internet connection across all your home computers, you'll first need to have your router set up. This is often a tricky task, but don't fear, we're here to help. First off, let's make sure you have all the right gear. You'll need the following items. One PC that is your main computer, one modem. This is the device typically given to you by your internet service provider and is typically connected via phone cord or a coaxial cable to the wall. One Linksys router. This is what enables you to share your internet connection. And two Ethernet cables. Typically one is already connected from your modem to your computer, and the other has come in the box with your router. The next thing you'll need to do is unplug the power to your cable or DSL modem, and make sure your router is unplugged as well. To do this, simply remove the power plug from the modem. Then pull the existing Ethernet cable out from your modem and plug it into port number 1 of the yellow Ethernet ports on the back of your router. You should leave the other end of the Ethernet cord plugged into the back of your computer. Next, take your second Ethernet cable that came with your router and plug one end into any available port on your modem. Connect the other end of this Ethernet cable into the blue port labeled Internet on your Linksys router. Now you can reconnect the power supply to your cable or DSL modem. You should wait at least 30 seconds for the modem to start up before continuing. Now connect power to your Linksys router. Now wait 60 seconds for the router to power up. After you have waited 60 seconds, you can check if the router has been set up correctly by launching an internet browser and seeing if you can get to a website on the internet. If you can't, review this video again to see if you missed any steps and to ensure all your cords are plugged into the correct ports. Also, another suggestion is to unplug your modem for at least 10 minutes, then try running through this video again.
Thank you.